The following video will show you how to do your very own butterfly survey. Between Friday the 17th of July and Sunday the 9th of August, the Butterfly Conservation Trust are running the Big Butterfly Count. There's an opportunity for us to go out in our gardens and record what species we see using their really handy downloadable ID chart. Take it outside and just take a look around 15 minutes, record what you see, and then go back to the computer and put it into the counts. If you'd like to get a close-up look at the butterflies, you can borrow one of our special butterfly nets. A very fine woven material that doesn't damage the butterfly's wings, but you must be very, very careful when collecting the butterfly. However, ecologists in the field will survey butterflies slightly differently by walking what we call a transect. Choose a lovely place which you like to walk, 1 kilometre square on the OS map, and then follow 1 kilometre in one direction and then in parallel 1 kilometre and back the other way. And every 200 metres within that kilometre, you record what you see.
July is the best time to do butterfly surveys. There's a peacock.
Okay.
I think it's a peacock. Yeah, I see. No, it's the peacock. See? Look. Is that a peacock? And carried white.
Only record the species you see 5 metres either side of your transect, which is the line that you're walking on the map. Otherwise you end up counting twice. You might see some day-flying moths. Have a way, record what you see. It can be really good fun. But if you really enjoy it, and you can walk that every week from April right through to September, and that will give us a really good idea of the population of butterflies in that kilometre square. If you'd like to do the wider countryside butterfly survey, as it's known, then we'll put you in touch with the Butterfly Conservation Trust.